End of month cleanse for miracles. Unlock God's mercy in March. Do this end of month cleansing and uproot all blockages, hindrances, limitations, and cause mercy of God to locate you in the month of March in order to give you everything you want. Welcome once again to Jenny Action TV. As we come close to the month of February, it is time for a spiritual reset. As my manner is, in this video, I will show you how to do a powerful end of month cleansing using common herbs and leaves that is found around you and is global substitute anyway, in case you are not in Africa, to attract God's mercies and breakthrough. Because believe me, not by power, not by might will God do anything for you this time. It is only by his mercy, because by strength shall no man prevail. But before then, please give this video a powerful thumbs up. If this is the very first time you're finding yourself in this family, you're highly welcome. Please kindly hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for always stopping by. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Before we go ahead into this video, remember that Awaken My Spirituality Global Academy is admitting new students, and I will champion the apostolic prophetic move of God in this season, because Bible said, by the hand of prophet, God delivered the children of Israel from bondage, and by the hand of prophet, he took them to their promised land. My dear, if you want to access the promised land of God for you in this 2026, being part and parcel of our academy is non-negotiable. Can actually chat me WhatsApp number playing on your screen right now, or check the pinned comment for more details as you come on board. May God bless you. So without wasting time, let's dive into this video. The Bible said in Psalm 51 verse 10, create in me a clean heart, oh God. Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O God. Take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore unto me the joy of my salvation, and renew a right spirit within me. The Bible said, if I hide iniquity in my heart, the Lord will not hear my prayers. That is why there is need for us to cleanse all the nyama of this February, so that when we are marching into the month of March, the mercy of God will find us and grant us all our intentions and our desire. So this is the herbs and leaves you are going to be using to do this powerful end of month cleansing. Number one, you need lemongrass, because lemongrass cleanses negative energies and negative spirit, attract positive vibes and clarity, and promote spiritual growth and wellness. Because month of March is when we are going to march forward. Bible said in 3 John verse 2 that God wishes above all things that will prosper, be in good health as our soul prospereth. So we need to grow in March in order to physically attract everything we want. The next item you'll be needing is basil leaf, because basil brings prosperity and good fortune, protect against all evil spirit and negativity, and enhances mental clarity and focus. But where you cannot get it, you can simply replace it with scent leaf, because you will be getting the same result. The third item you need is a mint leaf, because mint attracts abundance and wealth, cleanses and purifies the mind and spirit, protect against harm and negativity, and then it promotes healing and positivity. So where you cannot find mint leaf, can actually replace it with miracle leaf. The next thing you need is a rosemary spice, because rosemary enhances memory and mental clarity. You need your memory to be reset and be working, so that when God is ministering to you and directing you to take a major step, you will be able to grasp it easily. And then it protects against negativity and evil spirit and promotes healing and purification. So that is why you need rosemary, because wherever rosemary is found, women rule. Then the next thing you are going to be doing is what I call the spiritual bath, is prayer and meditation rituals. Just as our home, our spirit need cleansing, and these are herbs that is necessary and sufficient condition to do this cleansing. Why do you need to do all this? Because Zechariah 4 verse 6 said, what is that great mountain before Zerubbabel? It is not by power nor by might, but by my spirit, says the Lord. Believe me, God's mercy brings what we need, but when we have activated our faith, as we know that faith without work is dead, by doing certain spiritual work, that faith will be activated and it will move God to do what is necessary for us, because cleansing removes spiritual blockages, open doors for blessings and favor, and positions of us for God's mercy in March. So the question is, when are you going to do this particular spiritual direction exactly from 24th to 28th, 5 days? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 5 days power of cleansing, because they were the 5 represented Jesus, Jesus, and Jesus stands for mercy, mercy, or grace. GRACE, meaning unmerited favor. So favor we did not merit in this season, God is going to give it to us. If not for everything, this is Lenten period when we are, some churches are fasting, believing God for his divine help and remembering the agony of Christ on the cross of Calvary, and for the fact that he has died for us in order to redeem us, in order to make sure we lack nothing. His mercy will find us in this season and surprise us. How are we going to do it? It's as simple as ABC. You gather all the items: handful of lemongrass, handful of saint leaf or basil leaf, handful of mint or miracle leaf, and then you wash it very well with salt water, as well as a handful of rosemary spice. Wash it very well with salt water, and then put it in a pot you normally use to boil your spiritual items. Boil it enough water for you to bathe. Sieve it in your bathing bucket, but let it not be black. And then add a spoon of salt to it. Kitchen salt is okay. Table salt is okay. And then you now stir it clockwise using your right middle finger when it has cooled down a bit, because you apparently are going to boil it like 10 minutes for all the flavors to come out. So when you are done boiling it, you stir it. Then after stirring it, you enter your bedroom. Read Psalm 51 into the water first before entering your bedroom. Now carry it and enter your bathroom and bath from your head to toe. If your body is dirty, you can bath your normal bath with all the soaps you are using, and now bath this one last, because one, you are not going to towel your body, you are not going to use sponge, and then you are not going to use soap. So you bath. As you are bathing, you are praying that the mercy of God will find you, that the mercy of God will connect you to your right life partner, give you a new job, open to financial doors, give you the grace to sell your goods, depending on who you are and what your intention is. As you are bathing, you begin to make that decree. Pray seriously and declare that throughout the month of March, that no evil will befall you, that you are going to march forward, that the mercy of God will grant all your requests, protect you, heal you, and give you everything you want. As you are bathing, pray as much as possible. You are the one putting on the shoe, you know where it pinches you, so you are the one that knows the problem and knows what exactly that you needed God to do urgent, and then present it before God at a time. Bible says, table your case and present your strong reasons. Once you show God strong reasons that made you need that thing, and strong reasons why he has to provide, he will surely provide it. So when you have done bathing, you allow that water to dry in your body, you thank God for the day. In the evening, you pour water in the same leaves, herbs, and repeat the bath. In the morning, pour water in the same leaf and then herbs, boil it, sieve it, and use it to bathe. That's how you do for the next 5 days. You don't need to change the leaves. After the 5 days, on 28th evening or night, when you are through with that bathing, dispose the items. By God's grace, your mind, your spirit, your body has been resetted for recipient of God's mercy. And you see that you will not even get on top by struggle. It's by mercy of God. You will not get answers to your intention by struggle. The mercies of God will drop it. So why not go and do this bath? And I'm waiting for your testimony in the comment section, because getting testimony is sure, because the Bible says we overcome the enemy by words of our testimony and the blood of the Lamb. The testimony of God is sure for you. Don't forget to come back to testify how you felt, the open doors you receive, money, connections that come to you while you are doing this bath. Believe me, you will surely get that testimony. One thing, there is mathematical, scientific, spiritual, and other proof that whatever that is written down come to pass. Why not write in the comment section that God's mercy will find me in the month of March and give me all I desire, and you will surely get it by God's grace. So try this cleansing, share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to this Jenny Action TV for more spiritual growth tips. Hit the bell notification so as to always get my next upload. Share this video widely to everyone. I shall be happy lots and lots of people as it is so. May God bless you. So with this I say enjoy your day. Bye bye.